In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Zoho Sign. If you're new to Zoho Sign or simply looking for a refresher, this guide will walk you through the essential steps to getting your documents signed quickly and efficiently. Let's dive right in and make digital signing a breeze. First, you'll need to log into your Zoho Sign dashboard. The dashboard is your starting point where you'll manage all your electronic signature tasks. Once you're logged in, you'll be presented with several options. You'll want to look for Sign Yourself or Send for Signatures. This section allows you to initiate the signature process for yourself or to request signatures from others. Next, if you want to sign a document yourself, choose Sign Yourself and then upload your document. This feature is particularly useful if you need to quickly add your signature to a document without involving anyone else in the process. However, if you need someone else to sign the document, click on Send for Signatures and upload the necessary document. This is the first step towards involving others in your document signing process, ensuring they can view and sign the document seamlessly. Once your document is uploaded, you'll have the opportunity to add signatures and other fields that need to be filled out. You can drag and drop various fields such as signature, text, and date onto the document. This intuitive feature allows you to customize the document to meet your requirements and ensure all necessary information is captured. Now it's time to add your signature. Zoho Sign provides flexibility, allowing you to draw your signature, type it, or upload an image of it. This way you can decide the best method that reflects your personal branding or preference. Additionally, if your document requires any stamps, you can easily add them by uploading an image. This feature is especially useful for business documents that need an official seal or custom stamp. After configuring the document with signatures and fields, the next step is to enter the email addresses of the recipients who need to sign. This ensures the document is sent to the right people, allowing them to add their signatures in a secure and organized manner. Finally, click Send. Zoho Sign will take care of the rest. It will notify the recipients, track the progress of the signatures, and keep you updated. This streamlined process not only saves time but also ensures that your document reaches the signers promptly. You can track and manage your documents right from the dashboard, viewing signatures as they are completed. Zoho Sign keeps you informed through notifications, and you can explore other features like templates and integrations to expand its functionality. So that's a quick tour of how to use Zoho Sign. With these steps, you'll manage document signatures with ease and efficiency.